Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the motor grader. So let us detailly discuss in upcoming slides. So before going to today's topic of motor grader, let us recap the things we have seen in the previous session. So in previous class, we have detailly discussed about the concrete boom pump truck, where this particular truck has been used as an additional advantage to the workers in the construction site to transport the concrete to each and every part or each and every sides of the building without any extra human effort. Okay, so now in this topic, in today's topic, we are going to discuss about the motor grader. We are going to discuss this particular topic in a DT based manner, right? So first we will see the empathy part. So the even grading, it is not possible during the road construction through manual process, because even though the manpower has been used, the even grading has not will not be uh, attained. So the attaining the even grading is one of the difficulty process, and also we need more manpower for the process of grading before constructing the road, and also it consumes more process time. Okay, so for grading the surface, we need a vehicle which reduce both the time and the manpower. So for the purpose of grading, we need a vehicle so that it reduces the manpower and also it reduces the grading time. So for overcoming this, we can this particular motor grader has been designed and fabricated. So with the help of this vehicle, we can grade the surface before before it has been constructing before this particular road has been constructed. So before constructing the road, first they will grade that particular surface. For this particular motor grader can be used. So the motorbike grade is a construction machine with a long blade used to create a flat surface during the grade process. It consists of a blade where with the help of this particular blade, the grading process has been done. So the components of this particular vehicle, it includes the main frame, traction frames, general thing, and the drawbar, and underneath that we have blade. So this is the key component of this particular motor grader. This particular blade can be flexibly moved to the required angle for making the grade in all type of angles without any just turning the vehicle, or that we can just twist or we can turn the blade and we can achieve the grading process that we are planning. And the driver cabin, and behind the driver cabin there is a engine and the tandem drive machinery. So these are some basic components involved in the motor graders. So construction part, as I said earlier, there are totally there will be two to three sections. The first is the driver cabin unit, which along with the engine assembly and the grading assembly, where the blade has been fixed and it can be, as you can see in the picture, it is twisted to a certain angle. So according to the required angle, it can be turned to our requirement. And also, in addition to that, in some motor grader we can fix the ripper assembly, where this particular ripper assembly has been used to dense the sorry, used to loosen the dense soil for the proper grading. So a working is this particular motor grader, it can be used for grading for the road construction and for leveling the surfaces, and also for ditching process in the infrastructure projects, it can be used. So the application part, it includes the motor grader. Normally, it has been used in the road construction area, where if we start to plan to construct a road, the surface will not be in a smooth path, or it will not be in an even way. Okay, so before constructing the road, we need to make a surface as same. So for that, this motor grader has been used, and it can grade the particular surface into a finer one, so that after that the road construction can be made and we can get a good road, right? And also in abroad countries, where this particular motor grader can be used for the snow removal process in the roads. So this is the overall mind mapping of our topic which you have seen so far. Okay, so before ending this video, let us summarize the thing that you have seen so far. So in this video, we are detailedly discussed about the motor grader. So the motor grader, it is a vehicle that has been used for the grading process. It has a blade, it can be adjusted to any angle so that the proper grading can be done in every direction without just turning or without the movement of the vehicle. So this particular grading process, it is an essential process before the construction of road. So this particular motor grader, it serves as a purpose for grading in an effective way, by thereby reducing the manpower, and also it reduces the process time. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.